Good afternoon, traders. John Caruso coming to you here the afternoon of January 23rd to recap the currency trade for you today. First, we'll take a look at the equities. Very flat day. We did see the S&P kind of inch higher towards the end of the day as it awaited some key earnings from some key companies. Dollar, kind of a choppy day. We started out the morning down about 10 to 15 points, came in around 79.80 or so. We did see the House actually agree to raise the debt ceiling. We saw a little buy the rumor, sell the fact action of the dollar, where we actually saw it run to 80.22, which was the high here today. And right now, as the session winds down, we're back down under 80, trading at 79.88, which has it flat on the day. The chart, the longer-term chart, still looks very bearish. However, with this one-way direction that we've seen in the stock market, we've seen currencies kind of remain in a range. Really, we're not seeing a breakout to the downside or the upside in any of the currencies. Right now, the dollar, we do have support down around 79.72, and on the top end, we've got resistance coming in at 80.30. So that's been the range the past several sessions. Same thing with the euro. The euro trade 133.27, up 3 ticks right now. Not much to discuss there. We've got the top end of that range upwards around 134, bottom end about 132.50. So the currency trade's been caught in a range here lately. I think it's looking for maybe if we get a break in the upside action of the stock market, maybe you see a rush to flight to safety back into the U.S. dollar, but for the most part, we're seeing it a range-bound trade. Japanese yen recovered a little bit in the beginning of the session, and now we're falling back. We're trading right around 112.79. That is still positive on the day, but towards the bottom half of the range. The Australian dollar flat on the day, down 14 points, 105.10. So really not much to discuss there. We will take a look at tomorrow. We've got jobless claims that comes out at 7:30 Central Time. The market's looking for 360,000 claims from last week. And we have PMI manufacturing index, where they're looking for a reading of 54. So depending on how those numbers come out, obviously we'll get some direction to the market. So that's all I have for you today. We'll see you back here on Friday. Once again, feel free to call me as always, 800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.